What up guys? This is my first how-to video, but it's for beginners, like as a beginner to beginners. So I've been learning how to cornrow. I have this boyfriend with a massive fro. We gotta be able to do something. So I've kind of gotten it down. My braids are still really loose right now, but I wanted to make this video because I'm learning and what I've learned might be helpful to some of you guys. So this is my first get ready with me how-to video. I'm going to do 2 braids in my hair. I'm going to use the cornrowing technique. You guys ever struggle to push up and down so much? All these years, it's still a struggle to me. Alright, so I'm just going to part my hair so I can brush it. This is the first bottle I've ever bought of this product. It is the Shea Moisture. It's jojoba oil, akuba butter, and it's a braid up takedown detangler. This really works. Like for detangling especially, I've been using the crap out of it.
Hey y'all, intermission. What?
Why? Alright, so you're going to take 3 parts, try to make them even so that your hair length are the same. So that's a problem I'm running into right now as a beginner, is I'm not grabbing the pieces evenly, so at the end it gets a little hairy. But you're just going to keep the middle on top, pull from the side, pull the middle over, stay under the middle piece, and pull the middle over. To begin, you just do that a couple of times just to get the braid formed, and then you'll start picking up hair. So right now, it is my left hand's turn to go under the middle. I'm going to take my right hand. This is my left hand, so I'm grabbing with my left hand right now to put my piece. And so I grab some hair and put it in between my fingers. And then you want to make sure that your hair is not getting tangled in the back. So now I'm going to grab the middle, bring that over. I'm going to reach to my right piece. So the left side became the middle. Now I've got the right section. And I'm going to pull my middle over. So now I need to get the braid into the direction that it should be going. So keeping the middle, I need to grab a lot of hair to catch up. Now I got piece, bring the middle over, and the left side became the middle. On the right side, I'm taking this section right here, adding it in, separating the hair. So now the middle is going to come over. The right side became the middle, and I grab more hair to get it into that section. So I'm just going to continue down. You can kind of see what the braid looks like there. Like I said, super beginner, so this isn't going to be perfect, but I'll show you how I clean it up at the end. So already this braid has turned out better than my first one, so that's good. I've known this technique for about a month. Took me about a long time to get it down at all, so I'm happy with the quick progress. It's pretty cool.
You want to iron this?
Sure. And looks ugly. Cool. Okay, so like I said, when your braids aren't, or you're not picking up the hair evenly, the layers of your hair tend to come out, but I'm really happy. That's pretty good. So you can see my baby hairs, we're gonna take care of those at the end also. I don't think with the lighting you can't tell, but alright, so now I'm going to show you how I clean this up so that all this frizziness, you can't really see, but you can see that it's loose right there and it's super frizzy in between. So what I'm going to do is get all this extra hair out of my brush first. So you guys saw how much conditioner I put in my hair. I've bleached my hair blonde, and when I did that, it stripped everything out of my hair. Wear my hair up a lot, so it's always wet, so my hair was weak, and yeah, so bleaching it was the wrong thing to do. So now let's see, I did that. Probably did that back in June. It's September now, and my hair is still paying for it. So lots of moisturizer. And I haven't colored it since, so yep. Alright, so to clean this up, sorry the camera cut off on me, and now you're crooked. Anyways, this is Sexy Hair, the Big and Sexy line. I like their products. They're not too heavy, and they do their job. So yeah, this is the Smooth Sexy Hair Anti-Frizz Shine Spray. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to remove the scarf. So now you can see it's nice and laid back. Isn't that cool? I was like so impressed when I saw it the first time. So something else that I am doing for the first time, I guess like literally the second time, but I've never done this, so you'll see at the end. It's not going to be perfect, but I've started laying my edges. Something different look. Like I said, it's not something I normally do, but you just take some gel, and this isn't like a styling gel or anything, it's just gel that I've had, because like I said before, this is new to me. So I just take a little bit and put it on the counter so that I can take my toothbrush and dip it in the gel. So, but before you do that, you want to divide the edges from the rest of your hair. Ew, extra hair. From the rest of your hair. So I'm looking in the mirror behind you guys, remember. I'm just gonna brush the baby hair down, out, without taking away too much. This is not a look that I would do daily for me, but it's different and it's cute. I just not that I don't like it. It's just, I don't identify with it yet, I guess. Don't know if you can see it because of the lighting, but I've got all my baby edges rolled down. So now I'm going to take the gel. I don't know, I've been doing my finger first and then brushing it. So comment down below if you guys do it differently and what I should do to make it better. But then I take my brush and brush it. Usually put my finger down and brush it back to where I want it to go. And then I'll smooth this a little bit. And then hold my finger where I want it to stay.
Let's see. Go further down. Definitely comment. I would love to learn. I suppose it's something I started learning, so I'll make a video on it. What do you think? Alright, so now the next side. I don't know if I got a lot more hair there. Looks like I'm bald. I don't know.
Anyways, next side. Let's get this wrapped up.
Gosh, I'm not thinking. Oh
Hard to see some baby hairs. Turn around, but yeah. So until I get used to it, being blind is such an issue. You guys see me adjust my glasses. I'm like, wait, I can't see you, but I need to see you, but they're in the way.